Welcome back to another Financial Mindful Minute. 2022 has been a roller coaster for investors like you, me, and so many others. If you cashed in on the stock market's record performance, or you sold your home for a large profit, but have watched your investments slide in the last few months while inflation bites into your budget, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through tax loss harvesting. It's a way to potentially help turn investment losses into tax breaks. This video gets into some pretty technical stuff, but I'm here to help. Selling an investment for a gain is great until it comes tax time and Uncle Sam wants his share. But you can lower how much capital gains tax you owe by selling assets for a loss, if it makes sense for your overall financial strategy. This is known as tax loss harvesting. And it's a strategy that savvy investors employ to lower their tax bill. But it can be complicated. Keep these three things in mind. First, if you sold an asset that you held for less than a year, you generated short-term capital gains. And these are taxed at higher rates than long-term capital gains. You'll want to classify the assets you sold into two buckets: held for more than 1 year and held for less than 1 year. This is important, as I'll explain next. Second, when selling an asset for a loss to offset your capital gains, you need to keep apples with apples and oranges with oranges. Short-term losses can only be used to offset short-term gains, while long-term losses offset long-term gains. Third, don't sell an asset strictly to harvest a tax loss. That's not always the best move for your financial situation. We can work together to identify the right time to liquidate underperforming investments if and when it makes sense. If you're like most folks, you want to pay the least amount of tax possible so that you can continue saving for your future. Techniques like tax loss harvesting can help make that possible. But you need to look at your overall financial strategy to see if that makes sense this year. If you have a question about what I've discussed with you, or you'd like to speak personally about your situation, please use the form below to send me a message, and I'll respond personally. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.